Hi everyone. In the previous video, we saw how to insert a bar chart, column chart, and different types of both bar chart and column chart. In this video module, we'll see how to insert a pie chart and a donut chart. So the basic difference between a pie chart and a donut chart is that pie chart does not have a hole in the center, whereas donut chart has a hole in the center, just like a donut. Okay, so let's insert a pie chart and click on our report. Once we do it, we get a pie chart populated with some prefixed fields. So now I want my pie chart to be displayed based on segment wise sales. Okay, how can I do it? My dimension here is order ID. Now I'll make it to segments. Okay, segment is nothing but text based field, whereas metric is a number based field. I will have my sales as metric. Okay, so once I do it, I can see a beautiful pie chart which shows consumer segment having sales of 51%, corporate segment having a sales of 30%, and home office having a sale of 17.7%. This orange is null, which you can simply ignore. Okay, so this pie chart carries more value when the percentage is being mentioned. Okay, and this is the legend which is present along with. You can add drill down, like you can add other options to be shown as a drill down, and you can have optional metrics, metric sliders, and you can sort it according to the sum of sales either in ascending order or in descending order. You can set the date range, you can add a filter. All these things are similar to the same controls which were discussed in other visualizations. Okay, so it's more or less the same. Okay, so what's new here? We'll see the styling option. Here, how many slices should be there in this pie? That is determined by the number of slices which we mentioned here. If suppose I want my pie chart to have only two slices, then I'll click 2 here, and this will show two slices instead of the three slices. And the one slice will be the top segment which shows most number of sales. So that will be the one slice, and the other two or three will be clubbed together to form the second slice. Okay. If suppose I have some, now I'll keep it as 5 slices. Okay. If I have 20 categories of sales, then showing 20 slices will make my pie chart look cumbersome. Okay. So in that case, if I'm using 5 slices, then the top 4 slices, the top 4 categories which has highest number of sales will be shown as 4 separate slices, and the fifth slice will be an aggregate of the remaining 16 categories of sales. Okay, so we can customize the pie chart to this level where we can determine how many slices should be there in each pie chart, and how should be the coloring. Should it be a dimension value which is by default present, or it should be a different shades of a single color? If I want to have it as different shades of blue color, the lighter blue being the least number and the darker blue being the highest number, you can have like that. And this, even again, I can change this and make into different color. Okay, so all this you can then and slice order. So like we have mentioned 5 slices here, so you can control the color of 5 slices, first being the orange, second being blue. All these you can, for example, if I'm making this as black, then the first slice will become the top sale, the top selling segment will become black. Okay, we can customize like that. As of now, we'll have to the default dimension values, and then converting into a Donut chart. You need not do anything extra. Simply this option, if you could drag and drop, it will gradually increase the size of the hole. Okay, so this is how a pie chart can be easily converted into a donut chart. Okay, next thing is the labeling. As we said earlier, the pie chart does not carry much value if it is not being labeled. Okay, and whether it should be labeled in percentages or by absolute values or by mere labels or none, you can determine it. But a pie chart will carry more meaning if it is labeled in percentages. So that the ultimate purpose of creating a pie chart as to find out what proportion is contributed by which category will be evident when we are mentioning the percentage. Okay, and then legend, how to customize this legend, we have already seen that you can do customizing the background and border, we have already seen, and the chart header we have already seen. So that's all for the pie chart and the donut chart. Hope you understood it. We'll catch up in the next video. Thank you.